to test SSAS test button or SAS button test in Inmarsat JUE87. So first go to Alt U, then after that one go to schedule transmission, then after that one schedule transmission 1 2 3, then go to control F10, control then F10, then put your password. And after that one, if you can see SAS test button on, so now you can test. But before you're testing, you must ensure that all has been set up. So this one, security alert transmission 1, just enter. So if you can see, you need this one to edit this requesting interval 1 hour, then email this network type, then prefix code for 00 for testing, then subscriber number 28. Then this SSAS test message, you need to update to whom to be sent, for example to your CSO. Then after that one, if you already edit, you can save by F10. So after that one, when you already saved, then just leave this monitor this one for test, just cancel when already test is done. Then push this SAS button test to lift up. Then after that one, when the CSO already received the confirmation that test has been received, then now this for canceling the test, you must push again to cancel the sending for this SAS button. So that's all how to test this one. Thank you.